it sometimes. Oh, there's a fish swimming towards it. I got one.
Oh, he's easy to reel in. He's a real guy. He's a little dangerous.
Unless he's bigger. No, he's bigger than we thought.
Oh, he's skinny. That's fine.
There we go. Going back into the water.
If you catch that big one, oh, why'd you make that big splash? You should have lowered him.
Oh, I got one. Oh.
He was probably the one you already caught.
See a spot where he's gotten hooked.
Oh, okay, yeah. Well, they all swim in there probably, so. What was it?
Jumbo Mungus.
Yeah, Jumbo Mungus. Oh, you're gonna catch one right there.
You think? Oh,
Yeah.
I do.
That's right. And it's on video that he said that. There he is. It's
Oh, he's not bad.
It's a nice one.
He's definitely not bad.
Yeah. Look at him. All right, you want me to take a picture?
Yeah.